Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this video, I'm going to do the Battlegrounds mobile game battery rating test in the iQOO 9 device with the Snapdragon 888 Plus processor. As you can see friends, right now this is a Snapdragon 888 Plus, which is iQOO 9 smartphone. You can clearly see here. And let's find out friends how much battery will be draining in this device using the Jio SIM card. So right now I'm trying to use a 4G SIM card while playing the Battlegrounds mobile game continuously non-stop. Let me remove this cable. And right now the phone did charge to exactly 100%, as you can see on the notification panel. And during this process of demonstration, I'll try to use the 50% brightness as well exactly. And let's find out friends how much the battery will be draining for 1 hour and half an hour of time as well. In this way, I'll try to concentrate exactly on the battery draining and even the temperatures also. And during this process, I'll try to play at 90 FPS. You can clearly see 90 FPS. So exactly I'm playing at 90 FPS, as you can clearly see. So non-stop I'll try to play classic match, not the team deathmatch, classic match only. Because previously I did play the team deathmatch and a lot of users, they have requested me for the classic match to play. So I'll try to play continuously friends the classic match. So I'll be using the voice change. I won't be able to use it, and game frame interpolation I did not enable that because the game doesn't require any kind of game frame interpolation, because game already has got 90 FPS, so no need for that game frame interpolation overall, I would say. Let's find out friends exactly how much time it actually takes, how many hours you can actually play the game continuously. The phone has got the 4350 mAh of battery capacity as well in this device. Right now I did enable this pressure sensitive option on the screen. That's something you should know. So I'll be using that option to play. And using the 90 FPS, let's find out for 1 hour how much the battery will be draining, and for 30 minutes how much the battery will be draining. And I will be back after some time, maybe after close to 10 minutes of time, 10 or 15 minutes of time. So let's see how is the overall gameplay experience going to be there. And even it's a really good opportunity for me as well to demonstrate how is the Snapdragon 888 Plus processor going to be handling this game in this device. So if you use the game frame interpolation, then definitely there will be a lot of lag. So I will not suggest you to use anyway the game frame interpolation. I will be back after some time, maybe after close to 15 minutes of time. I'll try to play the game continuously for the next 15 minutes of time. Right now, as you can see, it's getting slightly kind of close to exactly 15 minutes of time as well. And I'll try to show you exactly what is the battery it got drained during this process of demonstration exactly. So we'll try to observe and let me to land, and yeah. And even the battery right now it's about 95%, as you can see it's 95% for the first 15 minutes of time. So 5% has got decreased during this process of demonstration. As you can clearly see it's 5%. But overall I did not face any kind of much lag at this moment while gaming. So in the temperatures, I'll try to check exactly what's happening with overall temperatures as well meanwhile. Let's check the temperatures. 40.2 degrees Celsius is the temperatures did increase 40.2 during this process of playing for the first 15 minutes of time. So well friends, if you try to observe in this way, I think it can actually drain up to 10% for 30 minutes and 20% for 1 hour of time. So we will be able to play up to 5 hours of time continuously the Battlegrounds mobile game in the iQOO 9 device with the Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset in this device. And I will be back after some time, maybe close to 30 minutes of time. So after playing for about close to 34 minutes of time, definitely friends, the temperature seems to be slightly kind of increasing high, and right now it's about close to 41 and 41.4. You can see the temperature is 41.6 So right now, this is the third match which I'm trying to play in this device. Overall, the temperatures did increase 41 degrees Celsius for the first 35 minutes of time, and I'll show you exactly what is the battery level right now. It's reached to 86%. As you can clearly see, if it's 86% already dropped. You can clearly see 86% is the battery level. So definitely there will be some kind of battery draining happening in the iQOO 9 device especially. That's what I did understand. This complete test is done only using with the 4G data connection, completely with the 4G. Maybe with the Wi-Fi connection the things might be slightly different, but with the 4G connection this is a scenario what's happening here. Yeah, 86%, and again I'll be back after maybe close to 45 minutes, then we can discuss more details. And game frame interpolation I did not enable that. This complete gameplay test is done only using 90 FPS. 90 FPS, not with a 60 FPS. 60 FPS means smooth and extreme settings, we might get different results, but 90 FPS we do get this kind of results, 90 FPS. So definitely the battery will be draining quite faster, and temperatures will also increase if you try to play at 90 FPS especially. So these are the things you can definitely understand, and let's see what's gonna happen with the overall battery rating for 1 hour of time. We'll try to find out exactly how much battery is draining, and I'll be back after some time, maybe close to 45 minutes or 50 minutes of time. Right now, as you can see, it's been getting close to exactly 55 minutes of continuously playing the Battery mobile game in the iQOO 9 device exactly, and temperature seems to be kind of slightly increasing, friends. Yes, it did not decrease. It's kind of close to 40 degrees exactly. So all the temperature is about 40 and 42 throughout the time. That's what the temperature is actually maintaining in this device, in the iQOO 9 device, especially with the temperatures. Let me know in the comment section below, friends, how many of the users are actually using this iQOO 9 device and facing this kind of thing. And definitely this is something to know with the Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset. The processor is going to be really very much high temperature in terms of the heating issues. So I'm trying to play for the past 1 hour non-stop in this device, and let's see how much the battery will be dropping for 1 hour of time. So that's going to be really interesting, and this complete test is done only using 90 FPS. Always remember 90 FPS only. This complete test is done. Because if you use the 60 FPS, the battery may be draining slightly kind of different. So if there is a 90 FPS option, definitely a lot of people will be playing with 90 FPS. If there is no 90 FPS, obviously you'll be playing with 60 FPS, right? So I'll definitely do another video on the 60 FPS as well as soon as possible. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested regarding the 60 FPS videos as well. So let's see in 1 hour how much the battery will be draining. So exactly, friends, after 1 hour of time, let's see how much the battery has been drained in this device. And battery drained to 74%, as you can see, friends, 74. So like 25%, like close to 26% got drained in just 1 hour of time playing with the 90 FPS exactly. You can clearly see, friends, what's happening here in this device at this moment. So definitely the battery is draining slightly kind of fast in this phone. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching a state of more updates. In case if you have other questions, let me know in the comment section below, friends. Definitely I'll be able to help you out. And meanwhile, signing off. And even the temperatures are kind of pretty high regarding the temperatures overall. While doing this kind of testing, it's kind of close to 40 degrees Celsius, the temperatures most of the time. That is what the temperatures in the iQOO 9 device are exactly regarding the temperatures wise. But right now also it's about 39 degrees and 40 degrees Celsius. 41.6, as you can see, 41.6 degrees Celsius overall the temperatures. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick demonstration on this iQOO 9 device regarding the overall battery draining test results. Using with the 4G data connection and playing with the 90 FPS, the battery drained by 26% non-stop playing in the iQOO 9 device. Temperatures did increase up to 40 degrees and 41 degrees during this process of demonstration. And all the gameplay seems to be kind of pretty good, not bad. And couple of times there kind of frame drops a little bit, but not a huge. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. Instead of more updates, and in case if you want me to do with a 60 fps, I can definitely do the video, but you can only play up to 3 to 4 hours kind of thing, maybe 4 hours of Paragon's mobile game with using with the 90 fps in the iQOO 9 device. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until instead of more updates, and signing off, bye.